Dave Armstrong, Survey Manager for Xcel Surveying. I've got a Bachelor of Surveying degree and I've been with the company for going on 3 years.
Steve Armstrong, Project Surveyor for Xcel Surveying, coming up 2 years, Bachelor of Surveying from Otago University. Kevin, you're up.
Stephen Kibby, Surveyor's Assistant, been with the company for 3 years.
My favourite aspect of surveying would be problem solving. I like when there's not a clear solution or a standard way to do it, and you've got to find a way that works efficiently and effectively and gets a desired result.
One of the things I like about surveying is the rapid advance in technology that's happening. At Xcel we like to keep up with all the massive changes and the things that can benefit our clients, and personally I love to learn new software, learn equipment, and just grow myself.
My favourite thing about surveying would have to be this project type work, working in a big team environment and working together with the engineers and other people to achieve the desired result. I've worked for Xcel for coming on 3 years now. I personally am actually doing further study this year. I'm doing a Masters in Project Management, and Dave's made it really easy for me to go on and continue further study. He's kind of allowed me to have a roster which facilitates my learning, and also can still be up here and carry on work on the project.
Highlights of working for Xcel Surveying would be mixing with the good quality crew that we have here in Gladstone and we also have in Karratha. Not just in work, but we get on really well outside of work.
The thing that I like best about Xcel Surveying, and it's something that I think that sets it apart from other companies, like I've worked for a few different companies now, I think the one thing that sets Xcel apart from others would be just the spirit of excellence that the company has, like from its inception. So it's still quite a young company, but it's growing well. It's an exciting one to be part of, but everyone, like on a personal level, everyone's trying to excel in their personal life, and that carries through to the company life. And I think as a survey manager for the company, it's always good just knowing that the boys are going out just with that spirit of excellence, so you know that they'll do what they need to do to get the job done. They'll go the extra yard and they're happy to put in the extra effort. I think that's a huge thing, and that's what makes it exciting for me to be involved in.
My favourite thing about Xcel Surveying is that we don't just do the bare minimum required. Often we'll get a survey request from our client which would be really easy to fulfil, but we then look further into what they really need and what they're really trying to find out, because they might not know what our survey data can provide them. And so then what we do provide them is a much fuller picture. We give them more information on the drawings and equip them to make better decisions. And it then feels really good when we see a survey request or a survey report or a drawing from another company that the client can't interpret, and they come to us because they can't understand it.
So that was the team at Gladstone Xcel. But rest assured, we're much better at surveying than we are at making videos.